Let's learn how to use the new dynamic wallpaper on our iPhone that's running iOS 18. Apple has added a new dynamic mode on its default iOS 18 wallpapers, and this mode will allow the wallpaper to automatically change the color during the day. In order to activate this feature, there is one little thing that we have to do, and that is to open the settings, then accessibility. And once we get to this page, we'll have to go over to this motion section, because there is one setting on our iPhone that we have to disable or turn off. If this reduce motion option at the top is enabled, then you'll have to turn it off in order to use this new dynamic wallpaper on iPhone. The reduce motion option is going to disable all of the animations and motion effects throughout our iOS system, and one of those effects is the new dynamic wallpaper, so make sure that reduce motion is disabled, and then we want to go back a couple of pages until we get to the main settings page. Find the wallpaper section and open it, and then we have to click on this Add New Wallpaper right here. That is going to open another page where we can choose from a wide variety of wallpapers. And our job is to find the default iOS 18 wallpapers, because those are the ones on which we can use the new dynamic effect. And the default ones are these right here under the iOS 18 section. Find a one which you like and simply tap on it to open it, and you're going to see how the wallpaper looks like. You want to scroll from the left to the right, or vice versa, until you see the dynamic option right here, and that means that the feature is activated, which is just what we need. If you watch this wallpaper for a couple of seconds, you're going to see a little preview on how that dynamic effect looks like, and the colors of the wallpaper will change during the day, which is just what we want. You can now tap on Add at the top right corner of your screen, and then it's up to you if you want to add this as a wallpaper pair and set it for both your lock screen and home screen, or you want to select one of the options. I'm going to set this for both, and then my dynamic wallpaper will be set on my iPhone, and I can now enjoy. The color of the wallpaper will change for you automatically during certain times of the day, and that's about it. But keep in mind one more thing about this. Your dynamic wallpaper won't work if you have the low power mode feature enabled, so make sure that low power mode is turned off in order for this to work for you without any issues. Thanks for watching and enjoy!